So one of the things that you can do inside of Adobe Media Encoder is have What's folders. So if I were to go to What's folders right here, I can actually add a What's folder. So whenever I actually add in some content in the What's folder, it'll automatically encode What's folder contents. So for that, you need to have the auto encode What's folder option checked on right here. So once that is done, and you go ahead and add in a What's folder. So to do that, I'm going to add a folder, and then I'm going to go to my desktop, let's say for example, and then I'm going to say What's right here. Select it and select out the folder. So you can see right here that this is my What's folder output as well. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that it is selecting the output folder in What's itself, and that is fine. That is what I want. So here you can go ahead and select a preset. So I'm simply going to select S.264 and YouTube 480 as the preset, as you can see right here. So now here I have this What's folder, as you can see, with the output folder right here as well. So now let's say what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead right here, and let's say for example, I'm going to go ahead right here and drag in this particular file right here in the What's folder. So now in a while, what will happen is that it'll load up that file automatically. Let me just go around over here and add in another file right here in the What's folder as well. So we just need to wait for a bit now. And now you can see that it automatically detected that particular file and converted it out. The same will happen to the other file as well. So you can see that you see the output right here, which is in MP4 format, as you can see right here, and the source has been moved right here into the source folder right here. So this is yet to be converted, and in a while that will be converted as well. And then this got converted as well, as you can see. So whatever I bring in the What's folder, I don't need to manually add them, but you simply need to drag them out, and they'll be moved out right here, and the time of when it was converted will be recorded as well. So if you quickly need to convert out some files, simply click on the What's folder and you can select the preset right here. What you can also do is you can add another folder right here. Let's say for example, I'm going to go ahead and add in another folder as What's 2 right here. And this is how I can select a folder and have multiple What's folders as I want as well. I can even go ahead right here and add in outputs right here, different outputs. So whenever I add it to this particular What's folder, I can convert one to this format, one to another format right here. And all of these will be converted and will be saved onto the output folder. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the What's folder inside of Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.